to Italy's health minister, explained this, the Italian incredible number of deaths being reported, was caused by the generous way the Italian government handles death certificates. The way in which we code deaths in our country is very generous in the sense that all people who die in hospitals with the coronavirus are deemed to be dying of the coronavirus. They go on to talk about Germany. On March 20th, the president of Germany's Robert Koch Institute confirmed that Germany counts any deceased person who was infected with coronavirus as a COVID-19 death, whether or not it actually caused death. Ireland, Northern Ireland's HSC Public Health Agency is releasing weekly surveillance bulletins on the pandemic. In those reports, they define a COVID death as individuals who have died within 28 days of first positive result, whether or not COVID-19 was the cause of death. They're openly admitting it. And one of the craziest actually comes out of England, where this article notes, NHS England's Office of National Statistics releases weekly reports on nationwide mortality. Its latest report, at the time of this article, week 12, March 14th to 20th, was released on March 31st and made special mention of COVID-19, explaining they were going to change the way they report the numbers in future. The ONS system is predicated on the registration of deaths, meaning they count not the number of people who die every week, but the number of deaths registered per week. This, naturally, leads to slight delays in the recording of numbers, as the registration process can take a few days. However, with coronavirus deaths, since it's a national emergency, they are now including provisional figures, which will be included in the dataset in subsequent weeks. This leaves them wide open to, either accidentally or deliberately, reporting the same deaths twice, once provisionally and then once officially a week later. Just lunacy on